You feel drained, restless, and overwhelmed. And yet, you haven't even done much. That's because your brain is overloaded. But here's the good news. A simple 5-minute ritual can reset your brain instantly. And today, I'll show you how. Think of your brain like a browser. Right now, you've got 50 tabs open. Emails, deadlines, notifications, endless scrolling. No wonder you feel fried. The truth? You're not tired from working too hard. You're tired from switching too much. Mental switching burns out your energy faster than physical work. And here's the scary part. If you don't reset, your productivity and focus slowly collapse. Your brain has a default mode network. When you pause and step back, this network activates, helping you process memories, solve problems, and restore focus. But most people never give their brain the reset it needs. They just pile on more noise, scrolling, gaming, junk content. The reset isn't optional, it's survival. Without it, stress and distraction compound until burnout hits. The 5-minute ritual. Here's the ritual step by step. 1. Disconnect. Put your phone away. No screens. 2. Breathe. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. 3. Brain dump. Write down every thought, task, or worry in your head. Get it out. 4. Move. Stretch, walk, or shake out tension. Reset your body, not just your mind. 5. Set intention. What's the one thing I need to do next? That's it. In 5 minutes, you've emptied the mental clutter and recharged your focus. When to use it? Before starting deep work. After a draining meeting. When you feel stuck in procrastination. Before bed, to clear racing thoughts. Think of it as a reset button. Every time your brain lags, hit reset and continue strong. Do this once, and you'll feel a quick boost. Do this daily, and you'll rewire your brain for clarity. Less stress, more energy. 5 minutes may seem small, but over weeks and months, it transforms your ability to work, think, and live at your best. Most people wait until burnout to reset, but you don't have to. This ritual is free, it's simple, and it only takes 5 minutes. Start today, your brain will thank you. If you need more tools to rebuild your focus and sharpen your discipline, hit subscribe. And this is Grindset Daily. Until next time.